people fight each other? Why do countries fight? I don't understand, but I am sad. Wars and conflicts are still ongoing in different parts of the world. News says in 3 dozen countries.
I understand the pain. Today is Hiroshima Day, the day to remember the tragedy that struck Hiroshima city on August 6, 1945. 80,000 people were killed instantly. 30,000 were injured. 90% of the city wiped out. After Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombing, Albert Einstein said, "If I had foreseen the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, I would have thought up my formula in 1905. Too late dawned that the realization."
What are these cranes? So beautiful.
These are known as Sadako cranes.
Sadako? What is it?
In Hiroshima, there lived a girl named Sadako Sasaki. When she was just 2 years old, she became a victim of the nuclear bomb blast dropped in Hiroshima by the US.
Please tell me the story of Sadako.
Yes, I shall tell you. Sadako was only 2 years old when the atomic bomb was dropped 2 kilometers away from her house.
Quite sad. Was she injured in the bomb blast?
Fortunately, no, she was saved miraculously.
Thank God. Then what happened?
Several years later, when she was studying in grade 7, one day she fell unconscious at school. She was taken to hospital to see what was wrong with her.
What's wrong with her?
Poor Sadako was suffering from leukemia due to the after effect of the nuclear bomb blast. People didn't know about the disease called leukemia at that time. They called this disease as the bomb disease.
Fortunate. She is suffering because of the cruelty of others, right?
Yes, one day, Sadako's friend Shizuki visited her at hospital. She told the story of the legend of crane, a sacred bird in Japan which lives hundreds of years.
God, a bird that lives hundreds of years?
It's actually a myth, but it is a legendary story. People in Japanese believe that if a sick person makes thousands of paper cranes, then that person will get well soon.
Amazing. Is it true?
I told it is a myth. It was just a belief among Japanese people. But after hearing this story, Sadako got inspired and she wanted to get recovered soon. Though she was in a great pain, she never gave up. She made more than 500 paper cranes while in the hospital.
Was she saved? Did she get well soon?
No, unfortunately, she died in 1955 October.
Oh my God. I feel really bad thinking about her pain and suffering.
Yes, that is true. Anyway, Sadako's classmates decided to form a club to honor her and the other children who lost their life in the war. Even today, children all over the world send paper cranes to the place under her statue built in the city. Do you know what is written on the statue?
What was written in the statue?
This is our cry. This is our prayer. Peace in the world.